Hey guys, it's Jer. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made this floral initial picture frame decoration. It makes a really pretty room decoration that you can either make for yourself, or I think it would make a great gift for someone else. You're going to need a picture frame. I got mine from Walmart, of course. Floral embellishments or some type of flower decoration. I got mine from Michael's. A hot glue gun. Some cardstock or a piece of heavier paper to glue the flowers to. I didn't have any cardstock, so I just used an old folder I had and figured it would work too, just to give the letter some structure for when it's glued to the picture frame. A picture of whatever initial you want to use as the base for the flowers, and a pencil and some scissors to trace and cut out the letter with. First, I printed out a paper initial online that fit the size of the picture frame I bought. For me, I'm using the letter S, but it should be really easy to find if you just Google whatever initial you plan on using. Then I just used my scissors to cut the initial out. Then I traced it on the folder paper and cut that out as well. Like I said before, you can really just use anything in place of the cardstock or folder paper. The instructions I found did say to use cardstock. I thought the folder paper worked fine. And as long as whatever you're using isn't that flimsy, then you shouldn't have a problem just using whatever you have around the house. I used the flower embellishments I bought to decorate the letter with and glued those down to the S with the hot glue gun. Finally, I removed the backing and the pane of glass from the picture frame and glued the S down to the plain white sheet that already came with the picture frame. You can use any piece of paper for this since it's mainly going to be covered by the letter anyway. Then I replaced the pane of glass and cardboard backing back in the picture frame. The last step of this was just taking that initial and using the hot glue gun to glue it down to that piece of paper. And that's it. This is really easy and it makes such a pretty decoration for any room since you can use any color scheme you want with the paper flowers that you choose. And since the initial itself kind of stands out from the picture frame, almost in a three-dimensional way. It was really fun to make, so let me know if you guys recreate this or something similar to it down below in the comments. Make sure you like this video if you want me to do more easy DIY projects like this. To be honest, I probably will anyway because they're fun for me. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click the notification bell so you know exactly when I upload new videos. Comment what DIY project I should try to make next if you have any ideas. And if you want to find me on Facebook and Instagram, my social media accounts will be linked down below in the description box, along with links to all of the products I used with this DIY. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!